Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. Please do not Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I just wanted to show you the snow. So beautiful, I tell you, so beautiful. This is amazing. Looks like could be the last snow of the season. So beautiful. Everything's white. I hope everyone's well. COVID is going down in the U.S., but that war makes us sad. Hopefully they'll come to agreement and it'll stop. But good news on COVID end. Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, I believe, all lifted the mask mandate. Oh, I could take. What a view. What a view. So beautiful. Hope everyone is well, staying healthy. And I just figured I'd show you guys this view is just amazing. $1 million view. Some people like the snow, some people don't. I like it right now. Thank you for watching the videos. I haven't been doing my. Look at this view. Look at this view. Wow. This is just amazing. I tell you. Feels so good. Wow. Ah, beautiful. White snow. I love it. I really do. I thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. That would really help me. This light's taking quite a long time. Usually they're not that long. It's weird. Oh, finally. Sorry for the delay. But you get to see a little bit of the what a view, I tell you. I'm sorry, guys. But I'm just, I don't know. I guess it's been a long time. I didn't see the snow, or what it's been. You know, it's beautiful. Oh, entering New York State. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to New York State. What a view. So beautiful. It's called the Palisades town of Orangetown, New York. Wow. Love it. I hope everyone is healthy, well, and I thank everyone for watching the video. And hopefully I'll be making some more videos. I have been not, but I will. And I appreciate everyone. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I thank you and have a good